Choosing the right windows for your home in Gilbert, Arizona, is not just about aesthetics, it's about comfort, energy efficiency, and durability in a climate that experiences both scorching summers and mild winters. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your existing one, the windows you select can make a significant impact on your home's overall performance and style. Here's how to navigate your options and make an informed decision that suits your needs and lifestyle. Understand your needs. The first step in selecting the right windows is to assess your needs. What are you looking for in a window? Are you prioritizing energy efficiency, noise reduction, or perhaps a specific style to enhance your home's curb appeal? Energy efficiency. Given the extreme temperatures in Gilbert, choosing windows that help insulate your home can save you money in the long run by reducing heating and cooling costs. Look for windows that are ENERGY STAR rated, as they meet specific energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Noise reduction. If your home is near a busy street or in a noisy neighborhood, you may want windows that reduce outside noise. Double-glazed windows or windows with laminated glass can provide a more peaceful interior environment. Natural light and ventilation. Consider how much natural light and airflow you want to bring into your living spaces. Some windows, such as casement or awning windows, allow better ventilation than others, like fixed-picture windows. Consider the climate. Gilbert has a desert climate, which means it experiences intense summer heat and relatively mild winters. Windows that are specifically designed to combat these conditions can help keep your home comfortable year-round. Low-E glass. In a region like Gilbert, low emissivity, low-E glass is a great choice. Low-E glass has a special coating that reflects infrared heat, keeping your home cooler during the hot summer months and warmer in the winter. This helps reduce your reliance on air conditioning and heating systems. Double or triple pane windows. For superior insulation, double or triple pane windows are ideal. These windows have multiple layers of glass, creating an air gap that acts as an insulating barrier against heat and cold. During the summer, they can help keep the interior cool by blocking out the harsh sun. Window material matters. The material of your windows can affect both the durability and efficiency of your home. Common window materials include vinyl. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Gilbert due to their affordability, low maintenance, and excellent insulation properties. They are resistant to warping, fading, and cracking, making them a great option for the Arizona heat. Wood. Wooden windows are classic and beautiful, offering a natural, timeless appeal. However, they require more maintenance to prevent damage from the sun's rays, which can lead to warping and discoloration over time. If you prefer wood windows, look for ones that are treated for UV resistance. Aluminum. Aluminum windows are durable and lightweight but tend to have lower insulation properties than vinyl or wood. They are best suited for areas with moderate weather conditions. Fiberglass. Fiberglass windows are highly energy efficient, strong, and resistant to extreme temperatures. Although they can be more expensive than vinyl or aluminum, they are a great investment for long-term durability and energy savings. Window style and aesthetics. Windows play a crucial role in your home's curb appeal and interior design. The style of window you choose will affect how natural light enters your rooms, how well you can ventilate spaces, and the overall aesthetic of your home. Casement windows. These windows open outward with a crank, allowing for maximum ventilation. They are ideal for areas like kitchens or bathrooms where you may want to let in a breeze. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are classic and versatile. Both sashes slide up and down, giving you control over airflow. They're a popular choice for traditional homes in Gilbert. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are great for wide openings and can fit well in modern or contemporary homes. They're easy to open and close, making them a good choice for spaces like living rooms or bedrooms. Picture windows. If you want to take advantage of beautiful views, picture windows are a great choice. These large, fixed windows don't open but provide unobstructed views of the outside. Consider professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform as expected if they're not properly installed. A professional window installer can ensure that your windows are sealed correctly, maximizing their energy efficiency and longevity. Be sure to choose an installer who is experienced with the specific window types you're considering. Budget and warranty. Finally, consider your budget. Windows come in a wide price range, and while it might be tempting to go for the cheapest option, investing in quality windows can lead to significant savings on energy bills over time. Additionally, be sure to inquire about warranties. Good window manufacturers often offer extensive warranties that can protect you from future repairs. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your home in Gilbert is an important decision that affects both your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. By understanding your needs, considering your local climate, evaluating materials, and exploring different styles, you can make a smart choice that enhances your home's comfort and value. With the right windows, your home will be well equipped to handle the Arizona sun while keeping your living spaces cool and comfortable.